Welcome back to the Dividend Diplomats YouTube channel. You got your boys here, Lanny and Bert. The Dividend Diplomats. It's Monday morning. Time for our top stock picks of the week. We each feature one dividend stock, two total, that we are each watching and most likely buying during the upcoming week of April 15th.
Guys, let's smash that subscribe button. Give us a nice thumbs up. Dividend quick pick, stock pick Monday here, guys. And we are back with two stocks, guys. We are back with the same two stocks from last week. Why? Because the stock prices kept coming down as it came down with the rest of the market because the Fed saw what happened out there with inflation. A little bit hotter, a little bit warmer than expected because these gosh damn consumers can't stop spending their money. But
Yeah.
that means undervalued stocks for us dividend investors. Or what's your stock you're watching right now?
Well, it's the beneficiary of consumers not stopping spending their money. We're talking Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX. Between the two of us, I think we featured this as one of our top stock picks for the last 2 months, I would say. At least that's what it feels like.
One more match. One more match. Bert, I have to tell you, a community, I have to tell you, on Friday morning, I counted the number of cars on my way into work with the Starbucks on my left on my way to work. There were 12 cars in the drive-through lane, which you think how that looks. It was actually out in, like, you couldn't pull in from the street into the development because of the line. And it was a Starbucks line. I don't know what if they were giving out something or what, but there were
Oh,
12 cars.
they weren't, and that's why they continue to be our top stock pick and continue to be that stock we buy because people cannot give up their Starbucks. They cannot give up that morning coffee with 8 different squirts of stuff inside of it, all the sugar added. It's always there. You need it. You
And
need it.
maybe it was the Friday pat on your back you made it through coffee.
Maybe so. But regardless, Starbucks still is on my watch list because of it. Last week when we did this, they were at 86.85. This week, they dropped $2 per share. They're opening the week at 84.82. There's a P/E ratio of under 21 now at 20.94. Payout ratio is 56%. 5-year dividend growth rate's about 10%. They've increased for 13 years. That yield continues to climb up. It's now at 2.69%. It's almost at 2.70, which is 75 basis points above its 5-year average. Starbucks just gets hammered, continues to get the hammer in 2024.
I know we both were buying shares last week, and I
Yeah.
can see why you want to buy shares this week. So
Yeah.
for me, keeping it consistent as well, guys, Johnson and Johnson, the dividend king, what we used to call and still do call good old reliable. J&J here, guys. They dropped another 3.2% over the last 5 days. So, AKA the price on Monday morning and then the price on Friday evening at the market close. So they are now below 150. They are now below 149. They are below 148 at 147.52, guys. So the PE, it was above 14. Now it's below 14. Payout ratio, again, still 45%. Growth rate close to 6% over 61 years of growing dividends. Yield is now getting closer to 3.25% at 3.23%. So ever since that Kenvue split off, things have just been a little bit on the downturn trend for J&J. I can't wait for that earnings release.
Love it. So there you have it. Laney's picks Johnson Johnson, my pick Starbucks. What's your top stock pick of the week? What do you think of these two big, massive companies? Let us know in that comment section down there.
And pay attention on Tuesday, guys. There could be the J&J dividend increase, but we'll have to see what they end up doing, guys. And if you haven't, again, like Bert said, like, subscribe. And if you're not with us, you're against us. Jack, that was Bert, the Hurt, and Laney from the DD. Over and out.